Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of the 6.6 feet by 6.6 feet smart curtain lights with 400 LEDs. Designed to transform any space with 1600 adjustable colors and dynamic DIY options. These curtain lights are perfect for creating a stunning backdrop, whether you're decorating for a party, setting the mood in your bedroom, or adding a magical touch to your outdoor space, thanks to their IP65 waterproof rating. With embedded independent control chips, these lights can display multiple colors and scene modes simultaneously, creating a mesmerizing rainbow effect that can be controlled via a smart app with 16 million color options, adjustable brightness, and speed. The intelligent music mode, featuring a built-in high-sensitivity microphone, allows the lights to dance to the rhythm of your favorite tunes, offering an immersive entertainment experience. Easy to set up with 20 pot hooks and a 3-meter lead cable, these lights can be customized to display interesting fonts, pictures, and colors, making your lighting dreams come true. Perfect for any occasion, from Valentine's Day to Halloween, these LED curtain lights are ideal for windows, bedrooms, canopies, and more, bringing a touch of enchantment to every celebration. Remember, while the light string cable is waterproof, the hooks are not, so take care when using them outdoors to prevent water ingress. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.